It's a 2003 Chevy Malibu. Won't start. Will not start. So if it's this problem, don't change any parts. You turn the ignition on, don't start it. It's not going to start anyway. And then you'll have your anti-theft system, which is right here. That light will be flashing when it's in this position. And what you want to do is leave it for 10 minutes. The light's going to stay flashing. It'll flash, and after 10 minutes, the light will go off. And what you want to do, then turn the key back, and then start it. Back on. Should start right up.